In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Gcash. By the end, you'll have your mobile number linked and your phone set up so you can start using the app confidently and securely. Before we begin, make sure your internet connection is stable and that the SIM for the mobile number you plan to use can receive text messages on this phone. It also helps to have the latest version of the Gcash app downloaded from the official App Store. Start by opening the Gcash app on your phone. On the first screen, you'll be asked for a mobile number. Carefully type the number you want to link to this device. Double-check every digit before you move on. A single typo can prevent you from getting the confirmation code. Make sure the number is active and can receive SMS on this phone. Once the number looks correct, tap Next. The app will prompt you to send a verification code. When you confirm, Gcash will send a one-time password or OTP to the number you entered. Keep the app open and watch for a text message. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute or two, then look for any signal issues, check that airplane mode is off, and confirm that your SMS inbox isn't full. Never share your OTP with anyone. It's meant only for you. When the OTP arrives, enter it exactly as shown. Most codes expire after a short time, so type it in promptly. If you mistype it or it expires, simply request a new one and try again. After your OTP is verified, the app will guide you through the on-screen prompts to finish registering this phone. Follow each instruction carefully. You may be asked to create a secure MPIN. Choose a unique combination that you can remember but others can't guess, and avoid using birthdays or repeating numbers. You might also see options to review your details, enable device security features like biometrics for quicker access, and agree to the app's terms. Read each screen, proceed only when you understand, and keep your information accurate. When everything is set, the app will confirm your registration and bring you to the main dashboard. From here, your phone is linked and ready to use with your chosen number. If you ever run into issues, such as not receiving the OTP, simply wait a moment and try resending the code. Ensure you have a good signal and keep the app updated. That's it. Open the app, enter your number, verify with the OTP, and follow the prompts to complete registration on this phone. You're all set to explore Gcash safely and conveniently.